So it makes the same amount of power on stock cams and like 2 or 3 pounds less boost, believe it or not. So.
Oh shit, no way.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So
same turbo though too, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but it's got a billet wheel in it now, so I mean, I don't think it really made a difference, but.
Does it sound any better? With the billet or no?
You'll hear, man.
Oh, okay.
This thing doesn't get old.
No, it's been a while.
Yep, it's been a while for you, that's for sure.
What's that?
Do you have a key fob?
No, I do not. No, this is a factory 94 Japan.
Sweet.
I've never owned a car with a key fob.
No?
I've always had to stick and that's my only key, and it's bent too if you look at it.
I know, I could feel it.
Yeah,
oh, easy.
It's bad. I need to get a new one cut. All right, you guys. What's going on? Quick little video today. This is an anomaly. You guys remember Jeff?
Hey guys.
It's a little bit of an anomaly because we're in Vancouver, and that's why I was saying earlier, you rebuilt your entire RB25. You're ahead of the game. Like everybody else has their cars in a garage,
stored away.
in pieces, and it's like what, December 30th today.
That's right.
And it's great out. We're spoiled on the West Coast, frankly.
I'd say.
Yeah. Yeah, we're basically just gonna go for a quick rip. You know, it's sunny. I'm going down to California, and some work's getting done on, I guess, on your cars, and you got other cars you're working on.
Yep.
For the springtime.
Other people's cars.
Yeah.
Both of my cars are done.
Yeah.
Which is nice to have both cars done for once.
Nova. It's got a Nova as well.
Yeah, that's right. They're both done. I don't have to touch them. So
Yeah.
I get to save some money now this winter.
That's good. Yeah, same. Hopefully, yeah, if you're interested in the MR2 next summer or next spring, yeah, hit me up because I might be up for sale, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, an upgrade maybe in the fall. Yeah, I miss this thing. even with like the very short amount of time, you know, that I had in it. I see Santa wasn't very nice to you this year. You didn't get a new phone?
Fuck phones.
Yeah, fuck phones.
They're my underhood flashlights.
Yeah, right?
Alright. We got a little warm up though, unfortunately. So we're gonna do a little, just some light rips around. So I'm gonna get the IATs up and the coolant temp up.
Yeah. I like it though, you know, the interior is very, it's clean and it's simple, you know?
Manual steering mode right now.
Oh yeah.
I need to do a pulley modification to make that work, so. And the diff's fixed. Remember?
Yeah, right.
It blew up in the fall. Like it was never really set right.
Right.
And I just just keep sending it, and finally like chipped a couple gears. So I took it all apart and put some new gears. So now it's like it's nice.
You're right. Yeah. So that and I probably wouldn't have even noticed that unless you actually said something. Yeah.
It was so loud.
Plus stock cams, like you said.
Yep.
So it's a little bit more drivable, I guess.
Yeah. In terms, and like good injectors and the Link ECU, which is like a huge mega bonus, right?
Yeah.
Same gear ratio as before.
Okay.
So it's pretty tight. 460.
Yeah.
Nismo 2A.
Is this AEM true boost? Is that like your main boost gauge or no?
That's garbage. That used to be wired into the boost solenoid.
Right, yeah.
And like, the ECU, the old Microtech, had no effect on controlling the boost.
Right.
So obviously now with the new standalone system, you have like full boost tables and stuff. So I just delete it. And before too, I remember like when it would get hot out and stuff, when it wouldn't boost as much, you just give it a couple of bumps.
Oh,
and you
really?
bump it up a little. So it's good that it's put away.
Yeah.
And not like at my fingertips.
That's crazy, dude.
Be civilized human beings here.
That is crazy.
It's the same.
Yeah.
But the one thing about the old rev cut and the Microtech is that it would hit, boom, 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 but it would keep pulling, you know? So on this, like, when it hits it, it falls on its face. I mean, it's a safety precaution, obviously. Yeah. So you don't, you know, I'm eliminating like 5 degrees of timing and the yeah. So I mean, it's safer for the engine longevity-wise, but yeah, you have to be on your shift points. So.
What's redline at right now?
75-ish.
Oh yeah, no, that's plenty. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. And your spool is kind of like 4-ish.
Yeah, I mean on lower gears, they're all 37. 36.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. That's when you're. Yeah, it's like, come on, kick me sideways.
Should we switch it up?
Sure, yeah, I'm down.
All right, man.
I'm down.
And I've even got into like learning little bits of tuning.
Right.
I mean, like I had Bill help me out when we first started it, and I kind of had it just in like, you know, low boost mode. And yeah, you learn how like fuel tables work and ignition tables.
Yeah, that shit really interests me. It's ooh, look at that.
442.
Yeah, it really interests me, but it's super intimidating, man.
Definitely.
And plus, I don't have a Windows computer, so I can't, dude. I don't even have a computer that I can hook up my ECU to.
Oh, really?
Like I've got this USB cable in my trunk. I can't.
Oh, okay.
Unless I can boot up into Windows, but it's like a whole process. I'm like,
IATs, intake air temps. So obviously you're going to build more boost and make more charge. So you obviously want to data log it, and then you can make adjustments to your table. Bill's super sick, because I can send him like my logs and stuff, and he can do like fine adjustments on the wastegate table on like different temperatures. So now we're at, you know, 20 degrees intake air temp. But when it's cold out at night, you get it down to like 8 degrees. Yeah, the thing will boost really hard, really fast. So.
Well, yeah, this is a perfect day too. It's cold out. It's like nice and brisk. I feel like I've gotten shorter since I drove this last. Oh, got in the 996. Oh shit! Look at that.
It's almost January. Look, this guy's on motorcycles.
I know.
The guy's got his R8 out. He's going for a Sunday drive with his wife. Yeah. Motorcycle here one time. Oh, and stupid me, right? I'm on a back road. It's like first, second, third, fourth. Next thing you know, you're 200, 210, 215, and like right up here, the guy starts to pull out and he didn't see me. Whoa. So I start to get in the center lane. I even get into the oncoming lane just to like, you know, try to get around him, and he saw me last minute, threw the brakes on. Woo. Yeah, that makes you learn not to like rip back roads, right? Like,
well, I mean, these roads are the best roads around to just do a couple pulls, but like, you'd think these people would be used to it and be like more cautious, but no. Wow, that guy's flying. Dude, even third is like on the brink of losing traction.
I know.
That's yeah. Oh, that's fun, dude. Thank you. Yeah, I've definitely almost spun out on this corner more than a few times. So yeah. So it's like if there's no one around at night, you try to cut that corner. Not cut it, but like
a little fast.
Yeah, yeah. It's a good entry corner, you know. That's ridiculous. Nice. That is ridiculous. Yeah, it's running really well, man.
Yeah,
it runs great.
Yep.
It runs really great.
Pump gas. Yeah. I've kind of played with the cam degreeing a little bit, you know, adjust to suit how I want. Yeah. But you know what makes it is the injector dynamics injecters.
Oh yeah, okay.
A good ECU via the link, and then obviously someone who knows how to tune and load tune correctly. That makes it. Were your injectors limiting you before, or just different? No, it's just they're old technology injectors, right?
Yeah, it's not ideal for me, just the driving position.
The position, of course.
But everything else is like, oh man. Nice. That's a good power level. Like it's enough to scare the shit out of you, you know, like in the lower gears, like when it's cold out, then
it's controllable and manageable, right? It's anything more, then you start spinning in third, and then it just becomes, I don't know, I guess for the purpose, if you're going to use it strictly for drifting and stuff, make sure to be a street car, and let's say you're doing some good pulls with some cars you come up beside on the highways, you want it to like hook, you know?
Should race that guy in the R8.
On the R8.
Fucking smoke him. If it's a V10, he would stand a chance.
Yeah.
It'd be close.
Oh man, my dad brought home those 2 R8s that I've driven.
Oh yeah.
And then
I'm so jealous. Yeah.
So he brought home, that thing was ridiculous, dude. It's got exhaust, you got like settings for your exhaust. You want it in race mode, it like pops and bangs, and it's fucking ridiculous.
Becomes like more alive and shit.
It was short-lived.
Yeah.
Dad's like, all right, son, you got 20 minutes, and I'm listening the whole time, right?
Yeah. Obviously in the springtime, but good shit.
Phew.
Quick.
Oh yeah.
So much fuel used already.
I filled it up.
Damn. Filled it up. Yeah, nope. Not anymore.
Well, I mean, it's not a huge fuel save to begin with, right?
Oh, right, yeah, you're right. Dex, we've only driven 16K. Dude, thanks.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
So sick.
Got to do a little data logging at the same time. I haven't actually. Yeah, I ran passenger when I really busted up my foot a while ago.
All right, you guys, that's just 240. Just gonna go grab some photos and stuff before the sun goes down. It is. It just like purrs now. Like it's nice. Yeah. It's a nice idle.
Stock cams, good vacuum.
Yeah.
It just purrs. It's awesome.
That's good. Defresh. All right.